Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix MacBook not outputting in high refresh rate to external monitor. So for this guys, I will show you 5 methods for fix this problem. So guys, first one, simply restart your Mac and try. The second method is open your Mac settings, click on this Apple icon and select the system settings. So now here select the general option. In the right side open the software updates. Wait here guys for checking for updates. If update is available, you can see here guys, update is available. You update your Mac OS, and after this must and should restart the device and try. The third method, manually select the high rate in your Mac settings. So for this guys, open the settings and here select the display option. So here you can see guys, automatically adjust the brightness. You enable this option. The fourth method, use the Thunderbolt compatible cable or HDMI 2.1 cable. The fifth and final method, avoid using the low quality generic docks and hubs. Hopefully this will fix your problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.